Hi, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to turn on and use inventory management in Dance Studio Manager. First, log in at clients.dancestudioManager.com. From the dashboard, click Settings on the left, then choose Group Permissions. Pick the staff group that will handle inventory, like Instructor, Administrator, or Inventory Manager, and click the pencil icon to edit. Scroll down to Setup and tick Inventory Stock, Inventory List, and Inventory Edit. If there's another inventory section below, tick those same three again. Next, under Settings, tick Categories, Submenu Item, and Inventory, Submenu Item. Click Save, then log out and back in so the changes apply. Now, let's set up categories. From the dashboard, go to Settings, then Categories. Add your inventory colors, like black, pink, or multicolor. Add your inventory sizes, like XS for extra small, S for small, M for medium, L for large, or XL for extra large. Ignore icon settings, they don't apply here. You can always edit with the pencil or delete with the trash icon. Next, let's add your sales items. Go to the Sales Items section on the left. In the Common tab, change the item type to Product. Enter the product name and its price. Then, in the Additional tab, input the available quantity of your product and click Save. Once that's set, you can now add inventory items. From the Sales Items section, click Inventory, then click Add New. Select the product you created earlier, choose the sizes and colors, and set the price. DSM also allows you to sell by piece or wholesale, and you can even add discounts for wholesale purchases. To add stock, click the plus button. Choose the location where the product will be available. This is helpful if your studio has multiple branches. Enter the available quantity for that location, then click Add. You can also manage your stock with these action icons. The pencil icon is to edit an item. The plus icon adds or adjusts stock. The stacked boxes open the inventory stock page. The purse icon shows purchase history. The paper icon duplicates an item. And the trash icon archives an item you no longer sell. Inside the inventory stock section, you'll see the location of each product, the available quantity, and even the name of the person who added the stock to the system. And that's it. You've set permissions, created categories, added sales items, and managed stock in DSM. Keep your inventory updated after each shipment or sale, and check your reports to see what's selling fastest. Thanks for watching, and happy managing. This video is brought to you by Dance Studio Manager, the smart way to run your studio without missing a beat.